Welcome to the track, my guys, WorkPodium video demonstration. In this video, we will be reviewing the dashboard section. Let's get started. This is what your dashboard will look like. As your employees start using the application, your dashboard card will reflect your company's growth. Over time, you will see a growth chart under men's payments. You are also able to see the most recent punches made by your employees in the last punches section. If any punches are missing job locations, or if there are any missed punches, they'll show up on your dashboard like this. You can find out how to fix them in our report section video. You can adjust the time period here as needed whenever you want to monitor your company's progress. To change the time period, just click on the Select a Period button and pick the date or dates you wish to monitor. You can also utilize the buttons conveniently located on the left-hand sidebar. For example, I'll choose last month here. Change it to any date you want, and your dashboard will automatically change and show progress to that specific time period. This dashboard is very straightforward. Here, everything is labeled with explanations on the bottom in light gray, to make things easier for you. You are also able to change the layout to whatever format you desire. Just make sure to click the Save Layout button in the right-hand corner, and it will automatically save. You can move around any chart to get the desired look that you want for your dashboard. Just always remember to hit Save at the end. Here on Job Location, you can see a short report for selected jobs. You also have the option to remove recent jobs and add a new or existing one again. When you add a new job location, you will be able to reflect on that progress as well. You can always switch out in between jobs to check the progress on this chart. It will reflect the progress and what was spent on each project, including the budget, total spent, employee earnings, extra men, receipts, and extras. Below your job location name, you'll find a See Full Report button. Clicking it will instantly take you to a page where all the comprehensive data and reports for your job are calculated and stored. You can get more details about this in our Reports section video. That concludes our dashboard overview. We trust that this video has been informative and helpful to you. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you found the information valuable and that it helps you in all your endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out and contact us. Thank you for choosing our platform.